Hey, how's it going everyone? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this iPhone case that I have. It's for a iPhone 16 Pro. This is made by Spigen, and this is their ultra hybrid case. So a lot of really cool features on this one. First of all, it's made of a really nice durable material. It's a blend of PC and TPU for durability. And they have what they call military grade drop protection via their air cushion technology. And they've infused it with a little bit of blue resin so that the case has a long-lasting clarity, won't yellow on you, and things like that. And also what's kind of cool is for the camera button, they've come up with their own capacitive cover without having to have a cutout design, whereas some manufacturers, they do a cutout here. I kind of like having that smooth capacitive touch button. And then on the inside, they've got their magnet here for the MagSafe. Really nice design. So let's put it on the phone and see what it looks like. Okay, snaps on very easily, and all your buttons are easy to use there. Nice, and that's a nice power button. And then on the bottom here, you see you have plenty of space if you need to put in any kind of an accessory or a good size plug. Some people use those external microphone adapters, and so that mine fits in this phone just nice. Okay, so we'll just take a quick demo of the camera button here. So basically I just slightly press on it, and I can slide my finger back and forth to zoom in and zoom out. And then when I'm ready to go, just click and takes a picture. So just like that, pretty cool. So overall, really happy with this case. Provides lots of protection all around, protects the cameras. Lots of really good features on this one. So there you go, guys. That's the Spigen Ultra Hybrid for the iPhone 16 Pro.